In just a few short weeks, young campers will arrive at Camp Weelaunee in Veneta, ready for a summer filled with fun, natural beauty, and plenty of sunshine. But for now, a dark cloud sits over the Campfire Camp.
How could you do this to a camp, and why? Why would you do this? This is just, ugh.
The popular summer spot, the site of mayhem as vandals bypassed the camp gates, trekked up the road, and trashed the empty grounds.
We have more issues with, is the deer going to walk through the middle of camp than are vandals going to come in?
Shards of glass lay scattered on the floors of the main office. Unlocked doors shattered for no reason at all. Supplies broken, and fire retardant from extinguishers sprayed throughout.
It is truly just for the joy of being destructive, and I don't understand that.
Barbara Utt, executive director of Camp Weelaunee, left to put it all back together.
We're in the midst of assessing the damage and trying to figure out, size of windows that have to be replaced, and do we have to replace the door, or can we just replace the window in the door, and things like that.
In one room, a sink ripped from the wall. In another, an eerie sight, a knife lodged into the door. And just down the road, the camp's utility shed and craft shack, broken into and splattered with paint.
Nothing was stolen. We've accounted for the property, but lots of silly, senseless damage.
Damage estimates are in the thousands, and Utt says her only option now is to move forward and prepare for camp.
We are going to take some extra security measures. We are looking into having some cameras placed on the property.
The silver lining, Utt says, is the outpouring of support from the community.
People are saying, how can I help? And we've had some monetary donations, and we have a couple companies saying, I can help with fire extinguishers, and people saying, tell me when the volunteer workday parties are.
She says the community's generosity is a ray of sunshine, and she's grateful for the support.